Here's something else to remember for 2020. Always have your own plan. So yo, one of the most challenging things you're gonna do is to come up with a plan to have your vehicle sold as fast as it's listed, especially if it's something unique to the island. So here's the thing, you need to find the best way to entertain the very best audience. Next, you have to present that vehicle in a way that customers think or know or feel that they're getting the very best product. So guys, Stugo Auto Sales STOG, they have another amazing 2018 Honda Accord. So awesome, I guarantee that you'll never see another Accord like this in Jamaica. So yo, here's the deal. This Honda Accord is actually worked on by some real Honda enthusiasts. It's tuned to produce 370 to 375 horsepower. So this baby is really fast. So from the looks of this thing, it's custom everything. Custom side skirts, custom rear diffuser, rear sequential tail lights. This is equipped with also quad muffler tips, front bumper lip with chrome trim, Borla exhaust, Typhoon intake, and a lot more exterior additions to this vehicle. And the thing is, it's not excessive. It doesn't make it look too much. It's just the right amount of mods for you as a daily driver. Yo, you're just going to love this Accord. For the interior, you get red leather seats. You get red leather seats that are AC ventilated. You also get navigation that works in Jamaica, and it's a ton of additions that's packed with this Honda. It's something that you're gonna love. Let me just go to the list and list out exactly what's on the inside and what's on the exterior. So on the inside, custom red leather, mentioned that already. Seats are AC ventilated, wireless charging, head-up display, satellite radio, navigation works here in Jamaica. That's on the inside. On the exterior, let me go over the list again. Custom side skirts, custom rear diffuser, rear sequential tail lights, quad chrome muffler tips, front bumper lip with chrome trim, Borla exhaust, Typhoon intake. Yo, that's a whole lot. And as mentioned, it is packed with 370 to 375 horsepower. This is one of the baddest Honda Accords somebody is gonna own in Jamaica. But yo, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. As mentioned, hit up STOG Auto Sales. They're the ones with this Honda Accord. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, please leave it in the comments section. The description is going to be packed and filled with all the details of this Honda Accord. And you know, anything you need to know, any link to any accessory or any part, they will be there as well. But yo, again, thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for loving this Honda. Whoever purchases this vehicle is gonna be absolutely amazed with this product, and they're gonna absolutely love it. Again, thank you for tuning in, and until the next one, bless up on yourself.